सुर में गाना सीखिए पाधानीसा ऐप के साथ। AI पावर्ड पर्सनल म्यूजिक टीचर फ्रॉम सारेगामा।
ये बता क्या मुझे हो गया, मैं कहाँ हो गया, पर तुझे क्या पता ऐ दिल ये बता। कशी झूठ है, बेखुदी झूठ है, हुस्न भी वहम है, इश्क भी झूठ है। अब रहा कौन सा रास्ता है दिल ये बता क्या मुझे हो गया, मैं कहाँ हो गया, पर तुझे क्या पता ऐ दिल ये बता। हर हंसी जुर्म है, हर खुशी जुर्म है, क्या खबर किस लिए जिंदगी जुर्म है। आदमी से हुई क्या खता ऐ दिल ये बता क्या मुझे हो गया, मैं कहाँ हो गया, पर तुझे क्या पता ऐ दिल ये बता। बेकसी के सिवा क्या रहा कुछ नहीं, मेरे दिल अब मेरा आसरा कुछ नहीं। कम से कम तू मुझे ना सता ऐ दिल ये बता क्या मुझे हो गया, मैं कहाँ हो गया, पर तुझे क्या पता ऐ दिल ये बता।
प्यार की दुनिया में बसी हो जब से, तुम मेरे प्यार की दुनिया में बसी हो जब से, जर्रे जर्रे में मुझे प्यार नजर आता है। मेरी हर सांस में आती है तुम्हारी खुशबू, सारा आलम मुझे गुलजार नजर आता है। तुम मेरे प्यार की दुनिया में बसी हो जब से, जर्रे जर्रे में मुझे प्यार नजर आता है। मेरी हर सांस में आती है तुम्हारी खुशबू, सारा आलम मुझे गुलजार नजर आता है। तुम मेरे प्यार की दुनिया में बसी हो जब से। ऐसा लगता है कि हरियाले घने पेड़ों में तुम भी मौजूद हो, पत्तों में छुपी बैठी हो। शाख हिलती है किसी नाज़ निबाहों की तरह, और गुमा होता है तुम जैसे यहीं रहती हो। तुम मेरे प्यार की दुनिया में बसी हो जब से, जर्रे जर्रे में मुझे प्यार नजर आता है। मेरी हर सांस में आती है तुम्हारी खुशबू, सारा आलम मुझे गुलजार नजर आता है। तुम मेरे प्यार की दुनिया में बसी हो जब से। जब गुजरता है मेरे जिस्म को बादल छूकर, फिर कोई रेशमी आंचल मुझे याद आता है। मैं तो हर चीज में पाता हूँ तुम्हारा चेहरा, इश्क क्या क्या मुझे परछाइयाँ दिखलाता है। तुम मेरे प्यार की दुनिया में बसी हो जब से, जर्रे जर्रे में मुझे प्यार नजर आता है। मेरी हर सांस में आती है तुम्हारी खुशबू, सारा आलम मुझे गुलजार नजर आता है। तुम मेरे प्यार की दुनिया में बसी हो जब से। धूप और छाँव के मंजर भी अजब मंजर है, जब नजर मिलती है सौ तीर चला देते हैं। और फूलों के छलकते से कटोरे हरदम बिन पिए ही मुझे मस्ताना बना देते हैं। तुम मेरे प्यार की दुनिया में बसी हो जब से, जर्रे जर्रे में मुझे प्यार नजर आता है। मेरी हर सांस में आती है तुम्हारी खुशबू, सारा आलम मुझे गुलजार नजर आता है। तुम मेरे प्यार की दुनिया में बसे हो जब से।
हाल ये कर दिया जालिम तेरे तड़पाने ने, तेरे तड़पाने ने। आग दामन में लगा ली तेरे दीवाने ने, तेरे दीवाने ने। आग दामन में लगा ली।
प्यार की बातें जो सुनी किसी बेगाने ने, किसी बेगाने ने।
आग दामन में लगा ली तेरे दीवाने ने, तेरे दीवाने ने। आग दामन में लगा ली। जीते रहना तेरी चाहत में कोई खेल नहीं, जीते रहना तेरी चाहत में कोई खेल नहीं। मार डाला मुझे, मार डाला मुझे जालिम तेरे समझाने ने, तेरे समझाने ने। आग दामन में लगा ली तेरे दीवाने ने, तेरे दीवाने ने। आग दामन में लगा ली।
पर मुझे रोक लिया है मेरे शर्माने ने, मेरे शर्माने ने।
आग दामन में लगा ली तेरे दीवाने ने, तेरे दीवाने ने। आग दामन में लगा ली। और भी कर दिया, और भी कर दिया जादू तेरे शर्माने ने, तेरे शर्माने ने। आग दामन में लगा ली तेरे दीवानों ने, तेरे दीवाने ने। आग दामन में लगा ली।
हरि ओम तत्सत, हरि ओम तत्सत, हरि ओम तत्सत. Please get ready for Yoga Nidra. Lie down in Shavasana with feet slightly apart, arms 6 inches away from the body, beside the body, with palms of the hands upwards, facing upwards, head in a straight line with the spinal column, eyes gently closed. Adjust your blanket, clothes and position so that you can practice Yoga Nidra without moving and with no physical discomfort. Please close your eyes and keep them closed. Loosen all the tight parts of the body, the belt, the wristwatch. Remove the glasses. Complete relaxation of the whole body. Surrender the whole body to the floor. Surrender the whole body to the floor. Relax the whole body. Say to yourself mentally, I am going to practice Yoga Nidra. I will not sleep during the practice of Yoga Nidra. Give yourself some time to become calm and steady. Take a deep breath, and as you breathe in and as you breathe out, feel the calmness spreading throughout the body and tensions leaving the body. Breathing in, feel the calmness spreading throughout the body, and breathing out, say to yourself mentally, relax, and feel the tensions leaving the body. Now become aware of the sounds in the distance. Become aware of the most distant sound that you can hear. Let your sense of hearing operate like a radar, searching out distant sounds and following them for a few seconds. Move your attention from sound to sound without attempting to identify the source. Gradually, bring your attention closer. Bring your attention to closer sounds. To sounds outside the building, and then to sounds inside this building. Move your mind from sound to sound. Just listen. Do not try to think about them. Do not try to identify the source. Like the microphone of a tape recorder, make your mind sensitive to hear all the sounds within the range of hearing. Now develop awareness of this room. Without opening the eyes, visualize the walls, the ceiling, the floor, the body lying on the floor. See the body lying on the floor. Become aware of the existence of the physical body lying on the floor in perfect stillness. Do not sleep. Become aware of the body lying on the floor. Awareness of the body in perfect stillness and in state of relaxation. Observe the breath. Observe the breath. Experience the breath in the nostrils. As you breathe in, feel the coolness of the breath within the nostrils, and as you breathe out, feel the warmth of the breath within the nostrils. Complete awareness of the breath flowing inside the nostrils. Deepen the awareness of breath by observing the temperature of air as it goes in the nostrils. It is cool, and as it comes out, it is warm. Now is the time to make the sankalpa. Now is the time to make your resolve. Simple resolve. Simple sankalpa. Please state your resolve clearly with feeling, faith, and awareness 3 times mentally. Now we are going to rotate our consciousness through different parts of the body. You have to move the mind from one part of the body to the next as I name the different parts. Repeat mentally the name of each part after me, and simultaneously visualize that part in front of the closed eyes and become aware of that part, relax that part, and then move on to the next part. The practice always begins with the right hand. Right hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, four fingers and thumb together, palm, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, side, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf muscle, shin, ankle, heel, sole, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, 5 toes together, the whole right side, the whole right side, the whole right side. Become aware of the whole right side, relax the whole right side of the body. Now bring your attention to the left side of the body. Rotation of consciousness through the left side. Left hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, four fingers and thumb together, palm, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, side, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf muscle, shin, ankle, heel, sole, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. 5 toes together, the whole left side, the whole left side, the whole left side. Awareness and relaxation of the whole left side. Now bring the awareness to the back side of the body. Right buttock, left buttock, right waist, left waist, right lower back, left lower back, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the spinal cord, neck, back of the head, crown of the head, the whole back, the whole back, the whole back. Bring your attention to the front, the forehead, the forehead, the forehead. Right temple, left temple, right ear, left ear, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, the eyebrow center, right eye, left eye, bridge of the nose, right nostril, left nostril, tip of the nose, right cheek, left cheek, upper lip, lower lip, teeth, tongue, chin, throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, depression of the chest, the diaphragm, upper abdomen, right abdomen, left abdomen, lower abdomen, the navel, the whole trunk, the whole trunk, the whole trunk, the whole right arm, the whole right arm, the whole right arm, the whole left arm, the whole left arm, the whole left arm, the right leg, the right leg, the left leg, the left leg, the back, the head, the whole head, the whole body, the whole body, the whole body. Relax the whole body completely. Become aware of the whole body completely. The whole body lying on the floor. Visualize the whole body in one thought, in one glimpse. Observe the whole body from the toes to top of the head. Complete awareness of the whole body from top of the head right down to the toes. The whole body, the whole body. Now you have to visualize the following objects as I name them. Visualize the objects as I name them in your Chidakash. Chidakash is the space in front of the closed eyes. If I name the symbol of the rising sun, then mentally you have to visualize the image of the rising sun in your Chidakash as clearly as possible, as colorfully as possible, as vibrant as possible. And in this way you will have to develop the image of the various objects and symbols as I name them. Intensify your imagination and quickly follow the form of vision or awareness of the item which is being named. As I name the various objects, intensify your imagination. The rising sun, the rising sun, the rising sun behind the mountains, the rising sun behind the mountains, blue sky, blue sky, white clouds floating in the blue sky, white clouds, golden clouds, orange clouds, pink clouds, the setting sun behind the ocean, the sun being reflected on the waves of the ocean, the sun being reflected on the waves of the ocean as it sets, the golden waves, the golden waves, the blue waves, the blue waves, many colored clouds forming, many colored clouds forming, twilight, starlit night, starlit night, moonlit night, full moon, full moon, a standing dog, a moving elephant, a racing horse, big pond with clear water, lotuses blooming in the pond, blue lotus, white lotus, pink lotus, sandy bank of the river, a sailboat on the river, a bonfire burning on the banks of the river, bonfire. Try to listen to the crackle of the fire. Try to hear the crackle of the fire. Chimney smoke rising from an old house, a garden with beautiful beds of flowers in it, roses, different colored roses, pink rose, red rose, yellow rose. Smell their fragrance. Visualize the dewdrops on the petals. Visualize the dewdrops on the petals. Trees, trees, a deep dark forest, a deep dark forest, wide spreading trees, tall stately trees, trees laden with leaves, trees without leaves, just bare trees, a small clearing in between the trees, a small clearing in between the trees and a temple in the clearing, a small temple with an aura of light around it. Go to the door of the temple. The door is locked. You sit down on the floor in front of the closed door. Close your eyes. Visualize yourself sitting down in front of the closed door of the temple and closing the eyes and becoming still. A sense of deep peace and harmony envelops you as you close the eyes. As you are surrounded by the light radiating from the temple, a sense of deep peace and harmony envelops you. And the sounds outside fade into the distance. You are in a meditative state. Feel and experience the peace and the tranquility. Now bring your awareness back to Chidakash. Bring your awareness to the dark space in front of the closed eyes. This space in front of the forehead. Watch this space, the inner space, with detachment. Do not become involved. Rest your mind in this warm and friendly darkness. If any subtle phenomena manifest, for example, colors that emerge in the space or patterns of light and colors and movements which emerge in the mental space of Chidakash, simply observe them. Make note of these and continue with your awareness. If thoughts occur, let them come and then go. But you have to continue watching the dark space, the warm space, the friendly darkness. Continue observing the Chidakash with detached awareness. Continue observing the Chidakash with detached awareness, feeling and experiencing harmony, relaxation, and peace. Now repeat your resolve 3 times. The same resolve which you made at the beginning of the practice. Repeat it mentally 3 times using the same words and the same attitude. Become aware of the resolve with feeling and with faith. Repeat it mentally 3 times. Now become aware of the breathing. Become aware of the natural breath. Experience the movement of breath in the body. Become aware of the arms and legs and the body stretched out on the floor. Become aware of the meeting points between the body and the floor. Develop awareness of the room, the walls, the ceiling. Develop awareness of the noises in the room and noises outside the room. Do not sleep. Externalize the mind. Do not open the eyes. Externalize the mind. Become aware of the outside environment. Become aware of the outside sounds. Gradually begin to move your body. Move the toes, the feet, the legs, the hands, the arms, the head from side to side. Take your time, do not hurry, do not open your eyes, simply move the body. Externalize your mind. Take a deep breath in, stretch the whole body, and then slowly and gently sit up, and only then open your eyes. The practice of Yoga Nidra is over. Hari Om Tat Sat.
प्यार भला हो तेरा, तुझको तेरी नौजवानी की कसम। हाय जादूगर कातिल, हाजिर है मेरा दिल, तू दिल में भर दे प्यार भला हो तेरा, तुझको तेरी नौजवानी की कसम। प्यार भला हो तेरा, तुझको तेरी नौजवानी की कसम। जीवन की रागनी, चंदा की चांदनी, मैं हूँ सुहागनी तेरी बलम। जीवन की रागनी, चंदा की चांदनी, मैं हूँ सुहागनी तेरी बलम। दिल मेरा थाम ले, उल्फत का नाम ले, हिम्मत से काम ले मेरे सनम। दिल मेरा थाम ले, उल्फत का नाम ले, हिम्मत से काम ले मेरे सनम। हाय जादूगर कातिल, हाजिर है मेरा दिल, तू दिल में भर दे प्यार भला हो तेरा, तुझको